In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix your WordPress site if it's not displaying correctly on mobile devices. This can be a frustrating issue, but don't worry, I've got a series of quick and easy solutions to help you get your site running smoothly for all your mobile visitors. First up, let's talk about clearing caches. If you're using a website caching plugin, it's essential to clear your caches regularly. Outdated cache files can prevent your latest changes from displaying on mobile devices. To clear your cache, simply navigate to the plugin settings in your WordPress dashboard and look for an option to clear or purge the cache. This small action can often resolve display issues immediately. Next, it's important to ensure that your WordPress theme is fully responsive. A responsive theme automatically adapts its layout to fit different screen sizes, which is crucial for mobile viewing. Check the theme's settings or documentation for any specific controls related to mobile responsiveness. You can also use the WordPress customizer to preview how your site looks on different devices and make adjustments if needed. Another common culprit for display issues can be your plugins. Sometimes plugins can conflict with one another or with your theme's code, causing unexpected behavior. Try deactivating all your plugins and then reactivating them one by one. After each activation, check your site on a mobile device to see if the issue reappears. This will help you pinpoint any plugin conflicts that may be the root of the problem. Speaking of custom code, review any custom CSS or JavaScript you may have added to your site. These modifications can sometimes cause layout problems if not properly coded, especially when viewing on mobile devices. If you're unsure what to look for, consider consulting a developer or using a browser's developer tools to inspect your site and identify any issues in the code. Next, let's talk about image optimization. Large or improperly sized images can bog down your site and cause display problems, particularly on mobile devices with slower connections. Use an image optimization plugin or online tool to compress your images and ensure they're sized correctly for mobile viewing. Once you've made changes, it's crucial to test your site on multiple devices and browsers. Different devices and browsers have unique ways of interpreting code, so what looks great on an iPhone might not on an Android. Also, remember to test in incognito or private browsing mode to ensure cached data isn't affecting your site's appearance. Lastly, if none of the above steps resolve your issue, consider creating a new .htaccess file. This file controls server configuration, and sometimes a corrupted .htaccess can cause site problems. Use an FTP client to delete the old file from your server, and then navigate to Settings Permalinks in WordPress to generate a new one. By following these steps, you can ensure your WordPress site looks fantastic on mobile devices, providing a seamless experience for all your visitors.